This is how we started, and this is how we finished. Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're finishing up a job in Temple Terrace in Tampa. This is a lanai. This floor previously had ceramic tile. So the problem was with the floor was that the customer just couldn't keep it clean. It would hold water. The tile itself had a pattern to it, and she just could not keep the water off it, could not keep it clean, and there was mold, algae, etc. that would just grow on the tile. So it wasn't really a nice outdoor space. So she is actually a past customer, a repeat customer. We had done her garage previously, and she was looking for a solution for this, and this was the suggestion. So there's a lot of additional steps previous to this than would a regular floor would take if it were down directly on cement. So we had to deglaze the tile. We had to remove the lippage from the tile. That's when two tiles are not perfectly flush, and there's a difference in the height. So we ground off the lippage the best we can. You know, it really just depended on each particular tile sitting next to the tile, how they were arranged. Some were perfectly flat and some were not. And then we also had to contend with the grout lines as well. So what we did to alleviate as much of that as possible before putting in the final floor was we, after deglazing the tile, we floated a flood coat of epoxy first. So this epoxy floor is actually sitting on top of another epoxy floor. And that was to alleviate all that and try to hide the tile the best we could. So this is going to be a very easy to keep clean floor now. There's also a anti-skid in this top coat, but now it'll be just simply a matter of hosing off the floor. This color is California gray. This is definitely our most popular color. You get to see it in and out of the sun here. And this matches her garage. This is the same color that she has in her garage. Very clean looking floor, and it'll be easy to maintain. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.